The Amphenol ICC Gen 5 Minitek Pwr PCIe Connector System is an introductory CEM5 PCI Express 12-volt high-power auxiliary hybrid connector and cable assembly which supports 600-watt GPU cards. This connector is not designed to mate with legacy PCI Express 2x3 and 2x4 12-volt auxiliary power connectors. The new CEM5 PCIe Connector System is designed for power applications with current rating up to 9.5 amps per pin for up to 12 energized pins and 4 signal pins to support signal transmission. The fully isolated terminals prevent them from potential damage during operation. A positive locking mechanism on the house has a low thumb latch operation to ensure mating retention. The CEM5 has fully polarized housing to prevent accidental mismatching, as well as a high retention force in the housing for well-secured terminals.